Welcome to SKB Diary. The Valmet 941 harvester is designed for tough logging operations, combining enormous power and precision control. Imagine navigating vast, mountainous woodlands and chopping down enormous trees with ease because to its powerful harvester head and sturdy build. Whether you're climbing steep inclines or navigating difficult terrain, the 941 delivers smooth and steady performance, increasing productivity throughout the day. Built for strength and accuracy, it transforms even the most difficult chores into efficient, manageable ones. The Epi-13 H8D is a compact yet powerful harvester that is perfect for thinning operations and small-scale forestry projects. Imagine effortlessly navigating dense underbrush, as its nimble form allows access to even the most difficult regions. Despite its small size, the H8D delivers a powerful punch, quickly addressing tree felling and processing jobs. Whether you're navigating a packed forest or uneven terrain, this harvester is designed for maximum performance, making each operation a smooth and efficient experience. The Komatsu 931XC harvester is an engineering marvel, expertly built to survive in harsh environments. Imagine crossing uneven terrains or soft, muddy ground. Its revolutionary 8-wheeled system provides unrivaled stability in each situation. With a highly efficient harvester head and a powerful engine, the 931XC can handle even the most difficult timber with surprising precision. Regardless of the challenges you confront, this equipment simplifies complicated forestry chores, allowing you to maintain productivity and control throughout the day. The Volvo EC750D excavator is a powerful machine built for heavy-duty earth-moving and forestry work. Consider simply breaking through stubborn terrain or raising heavy objects with the machine's powerful engine providing great torque and hydraulic strength. Its long-lasting design and simple controls make even the most difficult chores manageable. The EC750D is designed for operators who value power, dependability, and efficiency. It easily translates difficult work into smooth, regulated progress, making it a vital asset on any job site. The TigerCat LS 855 shovel logger is the pinnacle of logging power and precision, effortlessly completing timber handling chores. Consider gliding through uneven terrain while carrying big logs with confidence thanks to the machine's powerful hydraulics and sturdy design. Its innovative grapple system gives you unequaled control while loading, sorting, or transporting lumber. The LS 855 transforms difficult forestry processes into streamlined, efficient workflows, giving you the advantage you need to succeed on any logging site. The Caterpillar 538 forest machine is designed to perform in the most extreme conditions, making heavy-duty logging and forestry chores a breeze. Imagine this vehicle gracefully gliding through dense woodlands, driven by a powerful engine and sophisticated hydraulic system that provides amazing precision and control. Whether you're carrying logs or clearing land, the 538 blends strength and delicacy in every task. More than just a workhorse, the Caterpillar 538 easily overcomes obstacles, giving you the confidence to feel invincible with every move you make. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing machinery in action, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SKB Diary for the latest updates.